Croatia, a country most people know because of tourism, beaches, and beautiful European cities. But recently, something else has started happening quietly. More and more foreign workers are moving to Croatia for jobs and work opportunities. And honestly, most people still don't understand why. Because while everyone is chasing countries like Germany or Canada, some migrants are entering Europe through countries where competition is lower, work permits are growing, and opportunities feel more realistic. But here's the reality. Croatia is not a high-salary Europe country. This is not Switzerland. This is not Norway. And if your expectations are unrealistic, Europe can become difficult very quickly. So the real question is, can Croatia actually help you build a future in Europe in 2026, or is it just another temporary work destination? Today, we are going to break down the complete reality of Croatia work visa, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, visa process, and the hidden truths most people never talk about. Because for some people, this small European country becomes the first legal step toward a completely different life. Now first, understand one important thing. Croatia has been facing labor shortages in several industries. Many local workers moved towards stronger European economies for higher salaries, and because of that, Croatia started depending more on foreign workers, especially in sectors like tourism, hotels, restaurants, construction, warehouses, logistics, and manufacturing. And this created opportunities for international workers. Now here's something important most people misunderstand. Not every country is supposed to make you rich immediately. Some countries are stepping stones, experience builders, or practical entry points into Europe, and Croatia is becoming one of those countries. Now let's talk about salaries. This is where expectations become extremely important. Average salaries for many foreign workers may range around 900 to 2,000 euros per month, depending on overtime, season, industry, and accommodation support. Now, compared to Western Europe, these salaries may feel low, but here's the part many people ignore. Living costs are also lower than many richer European countries, and because of that, some workers still manage to save money, especially when accommodation or meals are partially covered by employers. But now comes the reality social media rarely shows. Working abroad is emotionally harder than many people expect. Long working hours, language barriers, isolation, and pressure to survive financially in a completely different environment. This becomes mentally difficult for many workers after arrival. And honestly, understanding this before moving is extremely important. Now let's talk about living expenses. Rent may cost around 300 to 800 euros. Food and utilities may cost around 250 to 500 euros. Transportation is relatively affordable, so overall, Croatia is still cheaper than many Western European countries. Now let's talk about the visa process. Most foreign workers enter through employer-sponsored work permits. Usually the process works like this. Company provides work contract, permit process starts, visa approval happens, then residence documents are issued after arrival. Now here's the dangerous reality. Fake agents and fake promises. This is one of the biggest risks. Some people pay huge amounts expecting dream Europe life, but later discover salary is different, accommodation is poor, or work conditions are much harder than promised. And unfortunately, this happens more often than people think. That's why proper verification is critical. Now here's another hidden truth. Some workers use Croatia strategically. They gain European work experience, legal stay history, savings, and international exposure. Then later, they try moving towards stronger economies within Europe. And this is why smart migration is about strategy, not hype. Because your first country does not always need to be your final country. Now let's talk about language. English works better in tourism-related sectors, but Croatian language still helps for daily life, workplace communication, and long-term stability. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They think entering Europe automatically guarantees success. That is simply not reality.
Croatia is not for luxury lifestyle, massive salaries, or instant financial freedom. Croatia is more about practical opportunities, legal Europe entry, gaining experience, and slowly building your future. And honestly, for many people, that first legal opportunity changes everything. Because the truth is, some people spend years waiting for perfect opportunities, while others quietly move forward step by step and slowly create a better future. So the final decision depends on you, your mindset, your expectations, your long-term strategy. Croatia is not a glamorous migration shortcut, but for the right person, it can become the beginning of something much bigger. And sometimes, one realistic opportunity is enough to completely change your life. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.